Hello and welcome back to The Famous People. Today we have a special program dedicated to the greatest minds of two mighty countries, the United Kingdom and Russia. We'll start with the United Kingdom. Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643. He is famous for his works in physics, maths, and astronomy. He discovered the basic laws of physics, created new methods to solve problems in maths. There's a famous joke about Newton. It is said that he discovered gravity when an apple fell on him from the tree. Newton died in England in 1727. Alexander Popov is one of the most famous scientists of Russia. He was born on 16th of March, 1859 in Perm. Popov is famous for inventing radio. Popov graduated from St. Petersburg University. He was always interested in physics and electronics. Popov died on December 31st, 1905 in St. Petersburg. Let's have a look at some words. 1. Admire. Like something very much. 2. Be born. Start your life. 3. Famous for. Known for. 4. Develop. Grow or advance something. 5. Discover. Find out something new. 6. Main. The most important. 7. Died. Stopped living. 8. Picture. Drawing or photo. 9. Biology. Science that studies all living things. 10. Improve. Make something better. 11. Physics. Science that studies different forces of nature. 12. Radio. Something that you can turn on to listen to music. 13. Achieve. Complete the goal. 14. Explore. Learn something new. 15. Include. Be a part of something.